Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
This guide shows how to change language in Sooxie on mobile and desktop. Language controls appear inside settings under the General and Interface sections. You can switch UI text, voice prompts, and regional formats independently. Changing language requires a restart and may download language packs up to 150 MB. Sign in with your account when prompted to sync preferences across devices. If you manage multiple profiles, set language per profile from the Profiles menu. Keep Sooxie updated to the latest version to access the newest translations and Open Sooxie and unlock main menu using the hamburger icon at top left. Tap Settings, then choose General or Interface depending on your app layout. Select Language to see the list of available languages and region options. Pick your preferred language and optionally enable voice and date formats for that language. Download any required language pack. Progress shows % and remaining time. Restart the app when prompted to apply changes. Confirm on both devices if needed. Return to the app and verify interface and voice prompts reflect the selected language. If your chosen language is missing, check for app updates in the store first. Clear cache from settings if translations fail to load after downloading a language pack. Ensure network speed is stable. Large packs may require up to 150 MB and time. Temporarily switch to English to troubleshoot if menus become unreadable in new language. Use the Restore Defaults option to reset language settings without losing profiles or data. Contact Sooxie support with app version and device model if problems persist after these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.